Hey YouTube, RC Flyer here. Gonna take up the Waco, one of the newer UMXs by E-Flite. I'm gonna do a hand launch. And we're off. This is a gorgeous plane by E-Flite. Look at the paint job. I'm at like 10%. Just flies in circles. Slow roll. Bring her back around, come right at us, pull her up, fly some inverted, bring her back around. Just a delight to fly this plane. Come right at us, low pass, right overhead, back up and over. Full throttle. And we'll drop her just like that. Nice low flight, low and slow. We'll do a roll. Loop into a roll.
Alright, if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you won't miss any of the action.
Come back around. Inverted flight. Very nicely done. Over and back. It's got a slow roll rate compared to the pits. Very quiet UMX. Love this thing.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Come right at us, nice and slow. And back over. Oh yeah, and again. Yeah, buddy. I'm gonna take her in for a landing. It's not gonna do well in this grass, just to let you know, but